Good morning, students. In the last session, we have done till question number 16. Today, we will be starting with 18th question. If cos x 3 upon 5 and pi is less than x is less than 3 pi by 2. Find the value of other trigonometric functions. What is the quadrant? This one give you which quadrant? This one give you, this is 180, this is 270. So this is in third quadrant. This is third quadrant. Now what you have to do? You have to make one triangle here. This. Don't consider just now the minus sign. Only consider cos x equal to 3 upon 5. Base upon hypotenuse. So this will be 4. Angle is here x. Now you can use Pythagoras theorem to find the third side. Here cos x. Now we can write sin x, tan x. Cos x we are already having. Sin x, tan x, cosec x, sec x and cot x. This we have to find. Sin x perpendicular upon hypotenuse 4 upon 5. It is in third quadrant. So here we will put minus sign. Tan x 4 by 3. Third quadrant it will be positive. Then cosec x. Cosec x is the reciprocal of sin x 5 by 4 with minus sign. Sec x. Sec x is the reciprocal of cos x 5 by 3 with minus sign. And cot x is the reciprocal of tan x. Here in the third quadrant, tan and cot will be positive, rest all other will be negative. Now we have to find the value. Find cosec x plus cot x whole upon sec x plus tan x. Now put the value. Cosec x is minus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 whole upon sec x. Sec x is minus 5 by 3 plus tan x is 4 by 3. Means here minus 2 by 4 divided by minus 1 by 3. So this is here minus. Here also it is minus. So here it is minus 9 by 3. So this can be cancelled 3 times. This can be cancelled 2 times. Minus and minus will be cancelled. So answer will be 1 upon 6. Now we will be doing the 20th question. It is given if sec x equal to root 2 and 3 pi by 2 is less than x is less than 2 pi. Now which quadrant we are having? This is 270 to 360, means this is fourth quadrant. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of this value we have to find. For this again we have to draw one triangle, right angle triangle. This is root 2. Sec cos is base upon hypotenuse and this is hypotenuse upon base. Root 2 can be written as under root 2 by 1. So when you will use the Pythagoras theorem, this will be coming out to be 1. Now we have to solve this. 1. What is the value of 10x? 10x is 1 by 1, but here this is fourth quadrant, so it will be minus 1, not plus 1. Why? Because in fourth quadrant 10 is negative. Plus this cosec x is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, means root 2, and that 2 will be minus because this is in fourth quadrant. So 1 plus cot x is again 1 minus. Why? Because fourth quadrant. A minus and minus will become plus. Here cosec x is how much? You are getting root 2. Correct? So how much it will be? 1 and 1 will be getting cancelled. So it is minus root 2 upon root 2, that is equal to minus 1. So always you have to take into consideration the quadrant in which you are working. So it is fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant only sec and cos are positive, rest are negative. So here we are taking this triangle. This is root 2. So sec is, cos is base upon hypotenuse, sec is reciprocal of this, hypotenuse upon base. We have got root 2 by 1. Here when we will use the Pythagoras theorem, here we will get it 1 and here also we will get 1. We can keep the values here and then we can find it. Now question number 22, first part. This we have to prove. All angles, if you see, they are in first quadrant. They are less than 90 degree. So all will be positive. Sin pi by 6. Pi means 180 by 6 means 180 by 6 means sin 30. We can write it like this firstly and then we can put the value. Cos 0 is 1. We are knowing. Sin pi by 4, sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree, sin pi by 3, sin 60, and cos 30. Now sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Now, we have to find the value, we have to prove that this equal to this. So, firstly LHS, LHS is 4 sin pi by 6, pi by 6 means 30 degree, sin square 60 degree plus 3 cos 60 tan 45 plus cosec square 90 degree. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin, this is root 3 by 2 whole square plus here 3 cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and tan 45 is 1 plus cosec square 90. Cosec square 90 is 1 square. Here we can have it 4 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. This will be getting cancelled. Plus 3 by 2 plus 1. This means 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. This is LHS. LHS we have got 4. RHS 2 sec square 45 degree is equal to 2 sec square is root 2 square is equal to how much? 2 into 2 is equal to 4, implies LHS equal to RHS. Now 24th question, first part. It is given if x equal to pi by 6. Verify that or prove that it is x equal to pi by 6. Now it is verify that. Verify that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Here pi by 6, so we can take LHS, means sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 6 is equal to sin square 30 plus cos square 30 1 by 2 whole square Now 24th question, third part. Sin 2x, sin 2 into x is pi by 6, pi by 6 means 30 degree. This one we have got, because here pi by 6 means 30 degree. We can put the value. Now we will be dealing with RHS. I am writing the values directly now. Tan 30 value we are knowing, this is 1 upon root 3. Root 3 can cancel 3 for root 3 times. So RHS equal to LHS. Now 26 question, first part. We have to find x. Cos x we can take common. What is cosec x? Cosec x is 1 upon sin x, so we can put it here. Cosec square x minus 1 is cot square x. And this is cos square x upon sin square x, and we can write like this now. So LHS we have got 2 tan x. This implies 2 tan x is equal to 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled. Tan x equal to 1 implies tan x tan pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4. This is answer. Now see the third part. It is 2 sin square x equal to 1 by 2. 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2, means the value of x lies in first quadrant. We have to find our x again. Very simple it is. Here it is sin square x. This 2 we can take here 1 by 4. Sin x is equal to root 1 by 4, and here it is 1 by 2. We will not take plus and minus because in the first quadrant, this is what, which quadrant? First quadrant. All trigonometric functions are positive. So therefore sin x is equal to sin 30 degree is equal to sine pi by 6. So x equal to pi by 6. Now see the fifth part. Two cosec x is equal to 3 sec square x. Now, what it is? 2 upon cosec x means sin x. Here we have to find x. This is cos square x. 2 cos square x. 3 sin x. Cos square x is we can factorize it. It will be 4 minus 1. So this is not possible. Why? The value of sine is, maximum value is 1 and minimum value is minus 1. So this is not possible. We have got sin x equal to half sine is half at 30 degree, means sin x equal to sine how much? Pi by 6. So the answer will be x equal to pi by 6. So children will be doing till here only, and now the further questions we will be doing in the next session. Only 2 questions are left. Try to do the sums in your notebook and do as much as possible, because every day we will be doing something new. So keep on doing the things till the next session. Bye bye.